Just got a new shipment in from Smoky Oak. They have a clearance sale. They're cleaning out one of their warehouses, and they sent us some of these high impact 1 pound, well 5 of them, but 1 pound bricks. High impact, so we figure we should be safe. We're going to do it with archery, so everything should be fine. Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. Alright, this is our ADMA. It is our archery depth measurement apparatus. ADMA. Figured on deep penetration, couldn't do wood, with an arrow. I mean, you can, but so we're going with clay right here, then with the little backup in the back. I doubt it's gonna push through 5. Actually, it's 10 pounds of clay on there. So that is our depth measurement apparatus that we shall be using. Alright, what we're going to do is do a deep penetration test of the Jackal crossbow and the Hyper Strike Broadheads. What I'm going to use as a control is I'm going to fling a field tip in, see how deep that goes, and then using that as a control on any other broadheads I do with the with the Jackal. That's what I'm going to use as a comparison. Less resistance going in. Should go. Alright. Alright. Yeah. We'll actually clear the clay and stay into the flour. So let's see what we got. Holy shit. This is definitely not gonna be easy. I got it marked. Try not to let go. To take off right there. So we are right at 9 inches of penetration. Right at 9. Anyways, Hyper Strike broadheads and shooting into the clay and seeing what we get. 9 inches is the control. Alright, here we go. See the little slices going through. Curious if it went all the way. No, we did not. We do not have full penetration. Just out of curiosity. That's what we're looking at. Right in there. Alright. So, we were taking the top off. Look at that. Ain't that scientific enough for y'all? Check this out. So we have this going in. And I'm trying not to cut myself. Measure it with our rusty official tape measure. So we are sitting at roughly 6 inches with the broadhead. Shooting into clay. So far, I figured this would go in a little bit further. 9 inches. So we are 6 inches with the Hyper Strikes. So now you know, and knowing is half the battle.